Chloe, your balls. Okay, sorry. Today we're making potions.
Yeah.
Say to the new member.
Noah. This is Noah. Noah.
Hi.
And this is Bunny. Hi
Yeah.
guys. And I just lost my leg. Alex just poke it out. It hurts.
Yeah. Hey, Alex.
And
We're making a potion.
Potion.
It's deadly. So we're gonna try one of our spiders.
our spiders eat the
One of our spiders.
then when our spiders gonna die?
How about the one in the one hanging right next to your spider?
That's a boy. Let's
Kill it.
Yeah.
Okay. First,
Oh,
just can you open this? Just a little bit. Wait, Chloe. I'm not yet ready.
Get the water. Get the water. Get the water.
Is it energetic for you?
Here's some asukal.
Suka. We need a spoon to mix this. Little drop of water.
This poisonous. Don't try this in home.
Yeah, we're trying that. Where is a spoon?
Don't try that. This poisonous. You can use your hand. You know.
Oh yeah.
That's why you brought it. To use it.
Wait. Let me use this. Oh my gosh. Chloe is home alone. Her mom and her sister is not here, so party!
I got some peanut butter. Don't
Yeah,
love
put peanut butter. Put peanut butter.
I'm trying peanut butter.
Can I eat peanut butter?
Hey, you want to see a?
Now why Jessica exploded?
Oh, you're gonna give it to Cookie. What it tastes like?
Just peanut.
How about put it in your face and your cookie doesn't gonna eat that. What just do you do? What do you do this? What happened?
The powder exploded. Guys, don't try this.
Or your face gonna
Yeah, it kind of exploded.
you're gonna eat one of those. Don't try this and help, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna give it one of our spiders.
And maybe your pet spider gonna die you after you give this.
No. Let's try your mom's hair. Or my hair. It's beautiful.
How about use your hair? And my mom's hair is blonde. I don't.
Why all of your family members have blonde hair except you?
Yeah, just they're just pakulay their hair. Pakulay. At their hair is blonde now. My mom, my Ate Risa, and my Lola have blonde hair.
They all have blonde hair except...
Except for my Tita Tuji have red hair.
What the? I was about to say about it. Chloe, we need to restart.
Why?
Ew.
Throw it! Ew, disgusting.
Yes.
Throw it out the,
I'm already smushing it with my bare hands.
This is me, Sky. This is me in my phone.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, and I like it. At three of my family members have blonde hair, and my Tita Tuji have red. And
Why you're the only one with no blonde hair and red hair? You should put the blonde here and the red here.
why?
also me. I should put orange here, black, white here. Or blue.
Why?
Because that's cute. But I'm never gonna do it.
That's your hair gonna be destroyed. But our hair, we go in the sun, and our hair will have
Shine.
shine and have a little brown.
Yeah, like my eyes. It will turn hazel. Yeah, that's true. Make sure to like and subscribe. But let's try this. Chloe, can you hold this?
Well, okay.
So let's try it on a boy spider. Let's find it.
I think this is a boy. This is very big. Girls are actually very small. This one is a boy. Try it. Try it. Oh,
The spider knew.
why?
I kind of threw it. Look at your wall right now, Chloe. Look at your wall.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. That's very disgusting.
Don't try this at home, guys.
Yeah, if you found a spider in your friend's house, never do that because we did that. It's gonna explode. This is explosion potion. This is the exploding potion. Sorry, my spider is gonna explode. That's Chloe's spider. My spider is there.
You're gonna kill your own spiders.
No, that's not my spider. It's Pep's spider. And that one is an exploding potion. Tomorrow, Chloe, you know what to do.
What to do?
See you on part 2. Bye.